how to add the calendar widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, press on the side button here to go back to your lock screen. Then touch and hold on the lock screen. After that, tap on the Customize button. Then you can add it to your top panel or the bottom panel. So tap on it. In here, you want to scroll down and tap on Calendar. And then you can choose a small size widget or a large size widget. So tap on it and then tap on the Close button. Now, tap on the top to close it, then tap on Done to save the changes. And now you have successfully added the calendar widget to your lock screen. If there are new events or upcoming events, it will show in the event widget here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.